Welcome to Habis TV. You are watching National News. PM Modi inaugurated the Bharat Mobility Global Expo 2025 at Bharat Mandapam, New Delhi. On Friday, the event, running from 17 to 22 January, spans three venues: Bharat Mandapam, Yasho Bhumi in Dwarka, and India Expo Center in Greater Noida. PM Modi highlighted the expo expansions with over 800 exhibitors last year and 1.5 lakh visitors. He emphasized India's growing automotive industry and its readiness for the future of mobility. The RBI has allowed banks to open rupee accounts at overseas branches for non-residents, enabling them to settle transactions using repatriable rupee accounts like the special non-resident rupee account and special rupee Vastro account. This move aims to support the internationalization of the rupee. The Reserve Bank of India has introduced a new rule starting January 1st, 2025, requiring checks to be written only in blue or green ink. This change is aimed at reducing fraud and improving security in financial transactions. In a relief of consumers' prices of vegetables and staples like tomato, potato, onion, rice, and pulses have dropped by up to 40% in the first half of January 2025. This is due to the arrival of fresh produce, better Kharif harvest, increased imports, and a fall in international prices. The Union Cabinet has decided to set up the 8th Pay Commission to revise salaries and allowances for central government employees and pensioners. This move will benefit over 49 lakh employees and 65 lakh pensioners. The 8th Pay Commission will be formed in 2025 with recommendations expected before the end of the 7th Pay Commission's term in 2026. The 7th Pay Commission was implemented in 2016 and being constituted in 2014. Israel Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu announced that a deal has been reached to return hostages held in Gaza. This follows the resolution of last-minute issue in finalizing the ceasefire agreement with Hamas, which will end the 15 months conflict and facilitate the hostages' release. Thanks for watching. Keep watching Habis TV. Namaskar.